Hello friends, welcome to Study by Technology, and in our today's session we are going to discuss how we can divide a polynomial by a polynomial. So in this regard, we will be discussing about these three examples in our today's session. So let's go ahead. So first of all, write the dividend as 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and then write the divisor over here, that is x plus 1. Now, first of all, see, here we have x squared, right? And here we have x. So what do we need to make this x equals to x squared? What number we have to multiply this x so that this x becomes x squared? And that number is nothing but just x only. So if you multiply x by x, this will become x squared. Another thing is we have to make it 2 times of x square. So that means we have to multiply the given number of x by 2x square. And the sign is positive over here. So we need not to worry about the sign. We can just use a positive sign only. Okay. So let's go ahead. We multiply this 2x with this whole x plus 1. Okay. So this will be like 2x multiplied by x plus 1, and this will be 2x squared plus 2x. Okay. Now this will be 2x and this will become 2x squared plus 2x. Now please be informed that we have to cancel these x terms or the terms along with x one by one. Okay. So as we know that in division we have to subtract the number, we can put a minus sign over here and a plus sign in front of this 2x square will become minus. The plus sign in front of this 2x will become minus, right? Now 2x square minus 2x square will be cancelled out, that is it will become 0. 3x minus 2x will be equal to x, and we slide down this one over here along with the sign, this will become x plus 1, right? Now we have x over here and we have x over here. Now we have to find out the number by which when we multiply this x, the answer would become x only, and the number that is 1. So that means once we multiply 1 with x plus 1, we will get x plus 1 only, right? And so we will write it like x plus 1, and once we subtract x plus 1 from x plus 1, we will get a 0. So in that case, the quotient is 2x plus 1 and the remainder is 0. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. So the question is, we have to divide 9x minus 6x square plus x cube minus 2. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to arrange these terms in the descending order of their power, right? So the highest power is x cube. After that, we have minus 6x squared. Would like to update you that please be very careful while putting up the signs, okay? Now, plus 9x minus 2, okay? Now, this will be like x minus 2. Now guys, here we have x cube and here we have x. So by what number do we have to multiply x so that it could become x cube? And that number is x squared. That means we have to multiply this x squared with the whole x minus 2. Right? So what could be the answer? It could be x cube minus 2x squared. As you know very well, we have to cancel these terms that are containing x one by one. Okay? So just we have to multiply this x cube. Now this will become x cube minus 2x squared. Okay? Now if we put minus sign over here, this will become minus and here this will become minus minus plus. Now x cube minus x cube will be cancelled out. Minus 6x square plus 2x square will be equal to minus 4x square. I'm again telling you that please be very careful while handling the signs. Now this plus 9x will be dragged down. Now we have another challenge, like if we have to multiply a number so that this x will become minus 4x squared. That means the question is very straightforward, like what do we have to multiply with x to make it minus 4x squared? And the number is obviously it should be minus 4x, right? So just multiply this number with minus 4x. How did I get it? I got it like by, we can see that this is a minus sign over here in front of this 4x square, right? So we have to use the minus sign. And that is nothing but just minus 4x. Okay, here it could be x square. Sorry, my mistake. Yeah, 4x. Minus 4x, sorry. So this could be minus 4x square. Right? So that means we have to multiply this minus 4x by x minus 2. What we will be getting? We will be getting minus plus minus. It could be minus 4x square plus 8x. Right? This will be plus 8x. Now if we put minus sign, this minus will become plus, plus will become minus, and so this will be 9x minus 8x will be x, and we can drag down this minus 2 over here. Now, what number do we have to multiply with x minus 2 so that it could remain x minus 2 only, and that number is nothing, just 1. Okay? So it could be x minus 2. And x minus 2 subtracted by x minus 2 will be nothing but just 0. And so the answer is x squared minus 4x plus 1. That will be the final answer. Alright, let's move on to the next point. Next is, it is given to you like this. The first step that you have to do is like you have to arrange this number, arrange this polynomial in ascending order of their powers. It is minus 6x squared. Okay, and then we have I think there's a little bit glitch in copying the question. It is like minus 28, not x. Okay, I'm just rubbing it out. So this is minus 6x square plus 29x minus 28. Okay, and the divisor is 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. Okay. Now, the thing is like, we can see here very well, you can get some idea, like, by what number do we have to multiply. As I told you that we have to cancel the terms containing x or x square or any power of x one by one. So first of all, we have to cancel this minus 6x square. So we must get our minus 6x square out of this particular term. So what number do we have to multiply this 3x so that it could become minus 6x square, right? So in order to make or transform 3x to minus 6x square, what number is required? We need minus 2x. How do we know that? You can simply divide minus 6x square by 3x, right? What you will get? You will get minus 2x. That means minus 2x, if multiplied by 3x, you will get minus 6x square, right? So now let's check it out. Minus 2x into 3x minus 4, and this will be equal to minus 6x square plus 8x, right? Now we multiply this by minus 2x minus 6x square plus 8x, and then we can put a sign of subtraction over here. This will become plus and this will become minus. Now 6x square minus 6x square plus 6x square will be cancelled out. 29x minus 8x will be 21x, minus, we can drag down this minus 28. Okay, again we have to take care of this 21x, we have to eliminate this, and in order to eliminate we have to multiply this 3x by a term so that it could become 21x, and that number is what? How you will get it? You can get it by dividing 21x by 3x, and the number is 7. That means 7 is a number by which if you multiply 3x, you will get 21x, right? And that 7 must be multiplied with complete 3x minus 4, isn't it? What we can do is like, let's check it out. What could be the outcome for this 3x minus 4 multiplied by 7? This is 21x minus 28. Okay, we can simply multiply this, and again, yes, one more thing. What is the sign in front of this 21x? It is a plus sign, so that's why we will use plus sign along with the 7. It's 7. It will be 21x minus 28. Now again we can put minus sign, it will become minus, this will become plus, and they will be cancelled out, and the remainder will be 0, and the quotient will be minus 2x plus 7. I hope up to this point the concepts are clear to you. Feel free to let me know in case if you have any problem or query. Have a nice time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.